Tataka mo.
Wake up your senses in the dark. Believe in me, get through the night. Every shadow calls your
Ganda pa ng horse
name.
nila.
Every hurt, a spark, a flame. When I can see a thing, I try to feel. Before I turn to
Morning Baguio! Day 2. Let's go! Morning! Ganda doon. Pinagsaservan ka na.
Mainit pa ba yung kape nyo?
Ma, ikaw muna ang
Ang
birthday.
mama ko madami nga yan.
Mapatikim din ako. Ano ma, kamusta? Sarap. Ang sarap din.
Hindi ako naniniwala. Hindi mo nga eh.
Ay, order nyo ba yan? Ano kayo?
Test kayo ah.
Tapos yung... tapos yung... Donate.
Sarap. Tataka mo.
Naglalaway. Ay, ayun pa yung isa oh. Ayun pa yung isa oh. Ayan na.
Ay, bukas ka makakain!
Uy! Oh my God! Sarap ng kain. Maiiyak. How many months? Sabi niya, ito pala yung pagkain. Ano? Data lang ha? Data. Malahati agad yung agad.
Side view natin na. Gusto nyo ko sa compress. Compress ko kayo.
Last day in Baguio.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Ay.
Kulang mo. Aulo.
Yak! Sinong may kulang?
Summer.
Tama.
Ikatiri! Wala! Wala!
Hello! Anong gagawin natin today?
Kanina kumakain lang kami doon sa terrace namin sa The Mansion of the Hillside Mountain Vegetables. And ngayon nandito kami sa La Trinidad, Benguet. And ano gagawin natin dito, Ate Snow?
Pipitas na strawberry.
Doon, sabihin mo kay camera. Kami ay,
Magpipitas na strawberry.
woo, let's go!
If I'm the one you want, should I go, or should I leave this on?
Kamukha ni Mama Pito.
Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too, and just maybe I could take a little risk for you, make one move.
Nihingal.
Oh, I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here with you. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? Oh, what should I do? I want your body on my body. Don't you see that I'm waiting for you? All I want is you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I'm never this shy.
Hello, pipitas na kita.
Tapos mamaya